The top tips to keep your fragrance lasting all day. Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. Now, if you're anything like me, then you've spent quite a lot of time smelling different fragrances and finding something which suits you. You know, something which smells great on your skin, something which suits your personality, and something which gives you confidence. But there's nothing worse than a fragrance that just doesn't last. So these are the do's and don'ts of wearing fragrance, when to spray it, and how to spray it. Now, first is all about applying your fragrance after a shower. After a shower, your skin is still warm. This will help to activate the molecules in the liquid. Now, a fragrance will stick to the oil sitting on your skin, so use a moisturiser. Try using an unscented or just a lightly fragranced moisturiser to prevent it altering the scent. Apply your fragrance to your pulse points. Now, this is where the blood runs close to the surface of the skin, which is where it is warm. Also, try rubbing Vaseline or lip balm on the pulse points before spraying. Now, Vaseline is an occlusive, meaning it forms a barrier, allowing the scent to hold on for longer. And guys, don't be tempted to rub in the fragrance or use wrists to blend it. Rubbing will break the molecules and it will weaken the scent. And it's true that a fragrance will cling to your hair, but don't apply it directly as it can dry your hair out. Instead, try spraying onto a hairbrush before styling. Never shake the bottle. It will let air in, disrupt the molecules, and weaken the scent. Now, you may be paying more, but use an eau de parfum rather than an eau de toilette, as they are stronger and last longer. And make sure you store your fragrance properly. Keep them out of direct sunlight and away from any humid environments like your bathroom. Don't spray the fragrance on your clothing. The fragrance needs to mix with the oil in your skin for it to be effective. Also, it can cause staining on materials such as silk. And sometimes you think your fragrance is weakened, but really you've just got used to the smell. A really great fragrance will sit very naturally on your skin. And guys, if you do need to reapply your fragrance, maybe do it just about every 4 hours. Don't go overboard. It will be overpowering and you'll end up wasting it. So there you go, guys, very much a quick fire of the top tips, the do's and don'ts of wearing a fragrance to make it last longer. Really hope you've enjoyed this one. There's far more about fragrance on my site, manfromself.com. I will link it up there, plus some product pages really about some of my favorite fragrances and some of the reviews behind them. But thank you again for watching. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do hit subscribe right now. The button is just there. There's also more video suggestions down there. A link to the fragrance pages there, my Instagram and my podcast, that's the one up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye bye.